Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Chetty's Business Courses. I'm Chetty, and today I'm going to show you how to create and set up a 5-page fully functional website within 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's right. A lot of my friends, a lot of people I hear talking, oh, I don't have what it takes to build a website. I'm not smart enough. It's too technical. No, it's actually a lot easier in 2022 than you could ever imagine. You know, you didn't have to learn all HTML code or anything like that. It is very user friendly now, and I'm here to show you just how easy it is. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just want to show you that this is our website currently. It looks very, very disappointing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you, and I'm going to explain the steps as well as I'm going, and finish this in 2 minutes. And then I'm going to show you the finished website once I'm finished at the very end. Okay, so let's start the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, the first thing we're going to do is go to the appearance section here because we need to get a new theme. The theme that we're going to use is called Astra. So once we install this, then we're also going to activate it. Once it's activated, now you can notice on the Appearance tab, you'll see the Astra options. Once you see this, now you need to install the plugin, the importer plugin. Once that is activated, it's going to bring you to a new screen. You don't have to watch this video. We're going to skip that. We're going to use Elementor as our page builder. For some reason, these templates never load right away. So what we're going to do is go back here to starter templates, and they should load up fine. Today, we're going to use construction. Let's say like a roofing company. So we'll use the roofing one here. Then we're going to choose a logo. Let's see, I'll just use like a Chetty's hot sauce logo. Once that's there, then you add that in. You can change the size a little bit, how you feel is necessary. We're going to change the color to green, and we're going to continue from there. We don't need this. We're going to skip this, and now we wait. And let's see how long we take to get there. Looks like we're at 1 minute and 25 seconds. And just like that, 1 minute and 34 seconds, I have now built a fully functional 5-page website. Let's check it out. Look at that, all done. Get a quick quote right there, little information part about the company, some numbers here about the company, different services provided, additional services, you know, a place where you can show people why you are the people to choose. You know, you got some Yelp, different review section here. You can put your team members, free quote at the bottom, some business information, and look at that. Like this looks amazing, and this was built in less than 2 minutes. You know, like I said, it's going to be a 5-page website. So you've got an About Us page, you've got your services page, projects, and the contact page. So there you go, folks. A great website, great base to start. You know, if you already have a website and you need to convert it, then it's even easier because you have all the content already. So I just want to say thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe the video, and wait for my next video because now I'm going to go into the details on how to change everything within it, the website, so we can make it officially our own page. And if we already have all of the information, say from a previous website, all the content that was saved and stored from that website. Now we just basically convert it over to this site. So, maybe your last website says we are the best roofing experts around. We will simply just replace right here. We are the best roofing experts around. And if you have all your services already, we can put them right in here. Alternative or additional services, and you're set. Pretty wild, right? And there was no code involved in any of this. And to update it is as easy as using Microsoft Word. So if you can use Microsoft Word, then you should be able to just type everything else you need. So make sure you tune into my next video. We'll see you there.